Oh my gosh, y'all missed a good fight because this guy was a big one. Anyhow, I put him in the water so that he could continue breathing. Right after that marathon he ran with me reeling him in. Look at this gorgeous redfish. Got him with the paddle tail. Had to switch up the lures because my bottom bouncing jig was getting snagged in all that grass. Gorgeous redfish right there, number 2. Absolutely fun to catch these guys in super shallow water. Not right under, but right above the surface of the grass. There he goes. I don't know if y'all can see him right there inside the grass. They camouflage so well. Oh, I wished I would have got that. We got a steamy one today. Hard to breathe this very thick, humid air. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are in the heart of Galveston as far as marsh fishing is concerned. This is by far, in my opinion, the absolute best marsh to fish whenever you come onto the island. And today I'm hoping that we're going to be able to see some tailing reds. The water is a little bit high for that, but I'm hoping that they get all the way up on the grass line and they start working that and the oyster, and we'll be able to see something and be able to have a wonderful sight cast fishing day. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to MDLR Fishing. I'm about to get started. The sun is right on the horizon, so let me get ready before we actually get to our first spot. He's right here somewhere. He's literally right in front of me. Probably him right there. Got you, buddy. Come on, dude. Oh, great. He's got me wrapped around that tree. Not that tree, but that fence post. I don't know where he's at. There we go. He's actually right here. Goodness. Is a big one. There we go. Nice. That's a gorgeous looking redfish too. Hurry up. Get him back inside the water so he can breathe. In there. Whoa. Yes. I actually saw him blow up, and then I saw his tail. Boy, that was a really good hook set. This dude ain't letting it go. See you later, buddy. I don't think that fella would have got off. If anything, my line would have busted before he actually could get off. If you're not familiar to my channel and you're new, what I'm doing is finesse fishing. That's an ultralight rod buoyancy series from Old 18 Outfitters, 7 foot long, and we've got, this is considered a BFS. I like to call it finesse fishing. That's what it's been called in the States for the longest time. Just finesse fishing, plain old finesse fishing. But the Japanese started a movement called BFS, which is Bait Finesse System. At least that's what I think it is. And now there's a lot of people who do baitcaster or casting finesse style fishing. And that's what I've got set up right here. And before it was even known as BFS, at least I think, I would always come out here and just do finesse style fishing with a bait caster, very thin braid, and super small, tiny lures. I have people who come to the channel and they're like, dude, you need to stop playing with them fish. It's not that I'm playing with them. I'm using super light gear. That's a 100 sized bait caster. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. Think of fly fishing, but with conventional gear. That's tied like a fly, flats bug from Bugs Fishing, black and gold. It'll get it done out here in the marsh. Gorgeous redfish right there, number 2. There he goes. He kind of ruined this lure. Let's take it off and we'll get another lure on. Ready to go. I switched it up to a black paddle tail this time. Something that's a little bit more durable, denser plastic. Well, here we are. That's how you spook a redfish. I don't think he's entirely spooked. Oh, gosh. How did he not see me? I don't know how he didn't see me. Maybe his buddy was the one that got spooked. Please let me be recording. Yeah. There we go. Man, oh man, I thought that was a lost cause right there. This fella decided to hit it anyways. All right, buddy. Oh man, I'm so sorry, buddy. He bit at it and it got the outside of his mouth. Okay, let's hurry up and get this out of him and we're gonna send him on his way. There we go. I don't want to keep him out of the water any longer than I have to. 20-inch redfish right there. I'll see you later, dude. I have been poling with patience. I have stumbled across tons of that. What y'all just saw, those 2 reds cruising along these shallow mud flats, tidal flats. Actually, it's always covered with water. So let's call them grass flats because that's tons of grass out here, and I've been spooking them left and right because I wasn't able to get a jump on them. But I got the sun at my back now, so I can see everything, and I'm just having to be very patient and slowly push along. Thank goodness we got it done. If I had my fish bag, we would be having a crab boil. I don't know if y'all can see these crabs right here. Here, let's see if this blue crab will bite at my lure. Look at that. You see? Let it go, buddy. I've been seeing them all over the place back here. It'd be really easy to scoop them up with the net. Look at this big old huge stingray right there. Missing part of his tail. That's larger than the average size, that's for sure. Yeah, when it's this shallow, man, I'm telling you what, you're able to see just about everything. You just got to be very slow about it so that you don't look out of place. Here we are. Come on, buddy. Got you. There we go. Well, that was a nice catch. Very hard to see him. Water's very murky, but you can hurry up and get the cast off when you first identify them. Then you'll come away with that catch. And hurry up and get him back in the water. Come on, let's get that hook out. We'll see you later, buddy. There we go. Water gets to start increasing in temperature. When it gets hot out here for us, you got to hurry up and put them back inside the water. I mean, I know we all want to take photos and stuff like that, but it's probably best just to get a screenshot from your video footage if you're someone who comes out and does a video camera. But if you're a purist and you just want to catch them, admire the fight that they got to give, then put them back inside the water. That works. Oh my gosh, it is unbearably hot. It is a scorcher. Whew. That was a fun catch right there. I got a lot of grass on my lure. Come on, get off. There we go. All right, he's still there. This one should get him, hopefully. I just missed him, y'all. Just missed him. Oh, dang. Look at these big reds right here. There's 2 more. 3 more. All right, let's see if we can. Here we go. Not that time. There was a school of them, all the same size. He's big too. I gotta hurry up and bring him in. Oh my gosh, he's a massive. That is a donkey. That's a donkey for sure. All right, I'm just gonna track him down. I don't want to put him through any more stress than what I'm already doing. Oh man, he's spooking everything that's in the area. There was a massive school right here, and they were all the same size as this fella. Look at that, he's already dragging me towards him.
Good night, bro. That is a big old huge red. He's gonna be over slot. We gotta hurry up and get him inside that water again. Let him go. Look at him. Holy moly. This drag is cinched down too. In case y'all are wondering, this is the Lew's Custom Light shallow spool. It's every bit as good as the original Custom Light. Shallow spool just lets you save a lot of fishing line. Where's my net? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah! Brutus! Mr. Brutus, welcome to the show. Let's hurry up and get this fella unhooked and back in the water. Oh, man. I want to make sure that he's going to be okay to go, so we'll hurry up and put him on the grip. There we go. Oh, stop, bro. Look at that. Nice, huh? There we go. He was not getting off as well. Get back inside the water. Catch your breath. There we go. Oh my gosh. Can y'all imagine a school the same size as this redfish right here? They were massive. There was no way that you could miss them. All right, buddy. We'll see you later, okay? There we go. Oh gosh, I am so hot. I am unbearably hot. What a crazy day in the marsh. A spectacular turn of events. I have been doing a lot of bank fishing and coming up empty-handed. It's not for a lack of trying. I've been all over the place in Galveston. This is the one thing that I will retreat back to whenever I start racking up the skunks. You come into the marsh and that's what you can expect this time of year. Be very patient and you'll see these guys tailing inside all this vegetation. There he is, right there by the post. Okay, buddy. Try to get a little bit closer because then he's liable to wrap me. There, you see that tail? Not too sure if y'all can see it, but right within casting distance. Make sure I lead him. All right, here we go. Somebody else was with him because I saw his tail and he wasn't the one who tried to hit my lure. I wasn't even ready for it. Now I just got to find him again. He didn't go anywhere, so he didn't spook off, but he's not right here anymore. Yeah, I don't see him. Wow, they pulled the okie doke on me, the tag team. Oh, there goes a tail over there. His back is out of the water. All right, here we go. I had a lot of grass on my lure. Didn't swim right. You want that tail to flutter, and he's right inside all that darn thick grass too. There he is right there. He's on the outskirts of it now. Here we go. Y'all, I just missed the hook set. Let's see if we can catch this fella. I was just trying to get some footage of his tail. Here we go. Nope. I don't see him anymore. There he is. Here he goes right here. Just spooked him. I was trying to shimmy my lure because of the grass. You're getting snagged on grass left and right. And I was trying to get it off so that the little tail could do its wobble motion. Just proved to be too much. They're everywhere out here. All I gotta do is just stay here, wait, scan the water line, and as soon as I see something at the surface of the water, then you just start push-pulling over there really slow. And these guys have just got their faces in all this grass, looking for shrimp and small little crabs, probably even some of the finger mullet. Here he is right here. Oh, I thought he was going after it. Boy, it freaked me out. I didn't even engage my spool. I was thinking, like, how the heck am I gonna set the hook with my spool disengaged because one hand was on the darn push pole. That was a big fella. Oh no, there he is right there. Okay. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. He didn't... Yeah, he didn't go after it. Alright, come on, buddy. See it. Nope. His head's in the weeds. Come on, get off. Alright, here we go. This has got to be it. There we are! Now you just hold on, right? Hold on for dear life. Just patiently stalk that fella. Bro, do not go on the other side of that grass. I'm trying to turn him. Come on, come on, come on. He's in the grass. Oh no. We're gonna have to go chase him. He's in that grass. I was hoping that I could turn him before he got in there. There we go, we got him. Oh my gosh, just stay patient. Scan the surface of the water, scan the grass line, look for these tails, make a cast, and look at that. Gorgeous redfish all day long. They are just loaded back here. Another overslot right here. Chill out, buddy. We're gonna get you. I'm gonna put you back in that water as fast as I can. Let me do what I need to do to get that lure out. Let's remove this salad. Okay, chill out. Here we go. There we are. I can't stress the importance of a paddle tail with a swim hook to go weedless. There it is. That is beauty. Let's get the guy back in the water. I don't know if anybody would ever get tired of trying to catch redfish like this. I know I won't. This place, it's magical at times, and during this time of the year, even though it's brutally hot, you can take advantage of tailing reds, schooling reds back here in this back lake and on those shallow flats that I was on. The weeds, they love them. There's a blow up right here along the grass line. Yeah, look at that. Let's see if he goes over and wants to eat. I'm trying to get out of the marsh system, and these guys are still aggressively feeding. But I'm over here trying to get out of here. It is, well, I sound like a broken record. It is unbearably hot, which is why I'm leaving them bite any other day. If we had more cloud cover, then I would stay and just have my fill of redfish after redfish after redfish, especially them being that darn big. It's absolutely insane catching big fish after big fish. You gotta love it. The setups that we were using today started off with the Baits LTS right here, and then we finished it up because of the grass and had to use that paddle tail. But this is the Lew's Custom Light Shallow Spool. They're both spooled with 20-pound braid, and we have 12-pound fluorocarbon leaders, and they're both on ultralight casting rods from Old 18, the Buoyancy series, 7-foot long, spectacular setups right here that can go toe-to-toe with just about anything that swims out here in this marsh. The more and more I'm using this baits right here, there's so many intricacies with the braking system. There's an inner one and an outer one, and I opened it up and messed with the inner one, set it right smack in the middle. There's I think it's, man, 1, 3, and 5 is the numbers, I believe, and I put it right on 3. And now I'm able to dial in the braking system and casting very light lures pretty darn far. This is the heavy end of the spectrum on the lures that I'm using, 1/8 ounce right there. But like, what is it, a 1/16 ounce? I can cast that pretty far. 25 yards is like my casting distance, my effective casting distance, and that's about how far I'll, you know, be able to see the reds and whatnot if I'm sight casting. And this thing, I'm loving it more and more. So it may make a believer of me before too long, and all indications are pointing to this is going to be like one of the most spectacular bait casters that I've ever owned, and I'm leaning towards it being worth the money that I spent on it. The Lew's is not too far behind. It's still a great reel. Y'all saw me go toe-to-toe with all those big, huge overslot reds. And yeah, both of these are very capable. If y'all are interested in this gear, I'm going to link them in my video description down below so that y'all can check them out. And if you make a purchase from anything that's on Amazon's website, then we will earn a small, tiny commission. So I really appreciate that. And if y'all appreciate the video, the work that I'm doing out here and bringing y'all content on a weekly, hit that thumbs up button. It helps the channel out significantly in the world of YouTube and the algorithm. Until next time, tight lines, y'all.